Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance coupons. First, understand that Binance coupons are digital vouchers offering various rewards, such as trading fee deductions or cash back. These valuable rewards are designed to enhance your trading experience and provide tangible benefits. You can easily locate and manage all your available coupons directly within your personal Binance account, specifically in the dedicated Reward Center. It's a straightforward process to access these benefits. To begin, log into your Binance account and look for the Reward Center section, typically found under your profile menu. Once there, you will see a clear overview of all your current coupons, both those you have yet to claim and those already in your possession. For any new or unclaimed coupons, simply click the Claim button. This action immediately adds the coupon to your available rewards, making it ready for future use. Once a coupon is claimed, it becomes active and ready for redemption, subject to its specific terms. For instance, a trading fee voucher will often apply automatically to your eligible trades, reducing your costs without further action. However, cash vouchers typically require you to manually click Redeem within the Reward Center. Upon redemption, the specified amount, perhaps 10 United States dollars, will be credited directly to your spot wallet, ready for use. Finally, remember a few crucial points to maximize your coupon benefits. Always pay close attention to the expiration date of each coupon. They typically have a limited validity period, sometimes only 7 days. Furthermore, carefully review the terms and conditions associated with each reward, as these detail specific usage requirements or minimum trading volumes. Understanding these details ensures you can successfully utilize your coupons and enjoy the full value of your rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.